Then it's cold and there's a chance for some rain. So here's what it's looking like. This morning as we wake up, it is dry and it's actually a little on the warm side with those temperatures at 67. Winds are from the south, 10 miles an hour, and we have clear conditions. And all across green country, we are starting off on a warm note, definitely warmer than yesterday at this time. In fact, McAllister, it's about 70 for you right now, 67 in Tulsa, 63 Okmulgee, and 61 in Tahlequah. Now, again, this is warmer than yesterday by about 10 to 20 degrees in some spots. In Tulsa right now, we are 17 degrees warmer than we were yesterday at this time. So again, this is a noticeable difference, I would say. Again, 17 degrees warmer here in Tulsa, 19 degrees warmer in Bartlesville. Probably don't need that jacket as you're heading out this morning. While it's just a little cool maybe for some, you're not going to need it later on today. We'll have sunshine. Our future track will be nice and quiet through the day. We'll hit a high closer to around 88 this afternoon. We'll be almost at 90 degrees in McAllister and Poto, about 88 in Muskogee and Okmulgee. And it's going to be breezy too with those winds staying from the south at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Now, as we future track through Saturday, this is what we're looking for. That front's going to be moving through the area. It looks like it'll approach actually closer to around 8 p.m. or so. By 10 p.m., still seeing showers and storms and moving through. So through the day on Saturday, it's quiet. We'll look for sunshine and very warm conditions. But then as this front approaches, then going into Saturday night, again, that'll be that chance for showers and storms. It'll continue into the early morning hours of Sunday. There's midnight for you. And then even around 2 a.m. still lingering with a few showers with a couple of those stronger storms probably a little bit to the south at that point. And with this, the Storm Prediction Center has put us just on the edge of that marginal risk of potentially seeing severe storms develop. Again, this is not on Thursday. This is going to be on Sunday morning or Saturday night into Sunday morning that we look for that chance for some of those storms to roll on through. Again, for today's forecast, we're going to be getting on up to about 88 for the high. So it's going to be a warm one out there. Lots of sun. It'll be warm today. It'll be warm tomorrow. Then again, Saturday night is when that chance for showers and storms will roll through. A few of those lingering showers early in the day on Sunday before then we start to see some clearing conditions heading in towards the start of next week. So our temperatures will go from the upper 80s today and tomorrow to the mid 60s on Sunday. It'll be a good blast of cold air that we'll have in there with those overnight lows in the 40s. Again, a lot like what we saw earlier this week. And then kind of sticking in the 70s for the better part of next week. We'll be up to about 78 by next Thursday.